Shader layer workflow improvements. Transforms, scripts, and tiling. Each texture and image map have the quick access toolbar, which exposes options for texture locators and also have a dedicated part for specific workflow scripts. Transform pop-up allow you to quickly access texture locator position, rotation, and scale without selecting texture locator. Same thing happens with tiling pop-up, mostly for UV map textures. Scripts pop-ups are divided into two for texture locators and image maps. Unified texture locators will assign one texture locator for all selected textures from first selected. Separate texture locators. If texture were attached to one texture locator, it will separate them but with preservation of current transforms. New texture locator will simply create a new locator for a selected texture or textures with default settings. Image Map Scripts pop-up button will show up only when the image map is selected. For now, there are two scripts. Set Correct Proportion is a very neat script which will adjust the image map proportion to match the aspect ratio of the imported image while preserving closely the current transformation's repetitions. Reset Transforms, which will result in resetting to default values, UV wraps, and all transforms.